White chocolate Pop-Tart fudge. Yeah, Pop-Tarts. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionary compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Tonight, we're giving 3 cheers for the red, white, and blue by making white chocolate Pop-Tart fudge with a strawberry Pop-Tart center. You can find the full recipe down in the description and at randymakescandy.com. Okay, let's make some candy. Start by cutting each Pop-Tart into 24 pieces. The pieces can't be too big because you need room for the top and bottom layers of fudge to touch so they can join together. If the center layer was nothing but Pop-Tarts, the fudge would delaminate as soon as you tried to cut it. Get the overstuffed Pop-Tarts if you can find them. More filled pastry packed into each piece means more flavor and more color showing once the fudge is cut. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of white chocolate chips, 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, and 1½ tablespoons of butter. Microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each until fully melted and smooth. This is where you should stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I forgot to add it here, but I'll make up for it later. Pour the mixture into your lined pan and spread it evenly. Now place the Pop-Tart pieces across the bottom layer in a 9x9 grid, one at every internal 1-inch intersection and one wherever a 1-inch line would meet the edge of the pan. You want the pieces where your knife cuts are going to be so they show on the sides of each piece. Try to use the center pieces here, the ones with the most filling. Use the edge pieces where necessary though. It's not a huge deal, but it's a nice touch. The leftover edge pieces make a great snack. Combine the remaining chips, sweetened condensed milk, and butter in a second bowl. Microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring between each until smooth. Stir in the remaining 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, or in my case, give it the full teaspoon since I forgot to add it to the bottom layer. It all evens out. Set aside about 1/3 cup of this fudge in a small bowl, then mix in a drop or 2 of blue gel food coloring until it's the color you want. Make sure you're using gel food coloring or the chocolate will seize. Pour the white fudge over the pieces, spreading it to fill the gaps between the pieces. That's what fuses the 2 layers together. Spread the blue fudge mixture across the top, then use a knife or a toothpick to create a nice swirl. Refrigerate until fully set, at least 2 or 3 hours. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into 1-inch pieces. And that's it. If you make a batch of these, please let me know. Drop your results in the comments. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte va. The fudge sets up smooth and creamy with a nice little chew from the Pop-Tart, and I swear this tastes like an ice cream sundae with strawberry topping. If you want to celebrate Independence Day with an absolutely unique fudge, you really ought to try these. I forgot to add it here, but I'll make it up for it. Nope. The fudge sets up nice and rich. Nope. The fudge.